Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS Jimin V Friends lyrics. Yeah, this is one of the Map of the Soul songs with friends and I'm going to react to the lyrics video of it so I can get the whole meaning. So let's start the reaction to my Bias and Bias Wreckers song, the duo. This is going to be really fun. Let's start.
One, two,
Two, three. Okay, Jimin. The whole tone of the song from the start itself is the music is which is really fun actually. The start of it is like, okay, this is going to be fun. Okay. Seoul that sparkled exceptionally another world that I saw for the first time. I think they came from Busan. Jimin came from Busan and Taehyung came from Daegu, I think. So Seoul is really sparkling city there. So so that's what they're trying to show, their first experience when they came there. Okay, maybe. This is so they are talking about their training, the sweat and drenched, all that. Okay, they're talking, it's like a conversation between two best friends. They are reminiscing their past. Maybe that's what this is, this song. This is a song in that conversation. Okay. What is this what? Okay, this song, what does that mean? Okay, wait. He's from the moon, you're from the star. Our conversation were like homework. And when they first met, maybe when they were not friends, they were quite different from each other. It's like their conversation is like a homework to them when they were starting off. Maybe that's what he's saying. Okay, they are saying. Okay, let's see. Best friend, the enemies. And then he's like, we were enemies, we were friends. And then they are like, they want to understand their relationship, what they were frenemies. Okay. Oh dear. Okay, this was such a cute thing when they said like, you're my alien. That's what he called Taeyang, between best friends. And then, okay, let's see more. Okay, let's see more. The way they say stay, hey, it's like, okay, this makes the sound so friendly. I think this song itself is friendly, it's fun. And then both of them together is just, their tonal qualities are looking really good. One is the really deep voice, another one is a high voice, and it's like perfect combination for me at least. So let's see more. Okay, like a this song is really good, man. We're talking about their pinky when they were measuring their pinkies like that. If you have seen them like that, that was really cute actually, that moment. And they put it in that song, like longer than 7 summers and cold winters. They have been together 7 years now. That's what they're saying. So good, man. The way the voices are going, like music is like tremendous. Promises and memories between them, that's what they're talking about. Okay, all of that. I remember us school uniform. Acha, they're school friends. Each memories is like a movie. Oh god, yeah. Okay. Dumpling incident was when they were fighting over when they were going to eat that. They put that something like that. And they said that, okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice. It's so cute the way they're saying that they used to have conversation together when they were in the bus together. Now they drive in their own car. Okay. Okay, it's like they're gonna go out and have fun after this. Okay, that's what they're saying in this song. Okay. Okay, this is so cute. The whole song is like making me want to go that again and again, making my head tilt like that. Okay. Castle. This is so nice that the whole memories of their 7 years they have spent together. That's why their relationship, friendship is so special together. They call each other their soulmates. That's what their friendship is like in actual life. And they showed it in this song. My God. Sometimes when these cheers stop, stay here. Please stay together by my side. It's like forever they have a place to stay with each other. Their friendship is so strong. My God. Like your small pic again with that. Okay, this is good. This chorus, when it comes in, both of them are singing this, and the changes in voices is the together it's sounding so good. My God. The whole voice change of Taeyang going like that. Hey, yeah, okay. And he's talking about his, just like his Pinky, everything is the same between them. Like, I know you're everything and we trust each other. That's one. Oh. Okay, them together. Why? Okay, this is so good. Don't forget rather than typical thank you. Okay, this is, their voices are so good, man. I'm just listening to this and I'm going to listen to again and again. I want to listen, like really. Okay. Okay, Taeyang just did that in my ears right now. Okay, the voice of his, man, like this guy is such a bias wrecker. When I'm listening to the song together, it's like, where should I listen? What voice should I listen to? Like, okay, you and I, let's really try not to fight tomorrow. Like, they fight with each other also, okay? Stop it here because I miss, most probably I want to just stop. Sometimes when these cheers stop, stay here, you are my soulmate. Here it is, here that song, they said that too, okay. Okay, this voice in the back, Jimin's voice is like crazy. Oh my God, his high notes, like really. Again with that longer in summer and winter, that line itself is making me so happy because they are together for 7 years and they made such good music together, all of them, all the members of BTS. I really respect them. Their music is tremendous, and how they are, their friendship and their bond is so nice to see, like really. All the promises and memories together, and they tried to put all of these things in this song, and they did a quite well job in that. Like, they showed their whole incidents, whole their memories, everything in this song. Okay, and the music is the way they're, oh my God, their duo is like really making me like, why is this song so good, man? Like really, oh God. Okay. Now the song is going towards the end, and then suddenly there's a clapping song in the back with the music. So it is becoming more and more towards the climax. It's going. Okay, the song. Okay, love the photos, man. The back, Jimin is just Jimin and Taeyang in the back with the back vocals of their like, okay, countless promises and memories. Okay, in the end, V's like, yeah. V's like, yeah. Okay, in the end, okay, this is so good. Okay, this was really good. So if you like my reaction to this, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section. With